Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to customize and tap on it. Now let's tap on Edit Contact and pick this camera icon. And as you can see right now, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera up. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo. Or we can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option. Here you can decide where you want to complete the action. I will use the regular gallery. And right now all we have to do is to simply find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. Here we have to again decide where we want to crop the photo. So this time I will pick Google Photos, of course give all the permissions. And from this step we can adjust the size of this square and the position of the photo, and thanks to this and of course we can zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So if you're happy with your choice, what's more, here you can rotate the picture, so just customize it like you want to, and if you are ready, just tap on done. And as you can see, it appears on this circle. So if it appeared right here, remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner. And here we've got our contact with the photo added. What's more, after getting back to the contact list, you will be able to see it, and whilst all incoming calls from that number, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your REALME GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.